Hi there, it's Lisa Kiggins from the Greenery Gift and Home Shop. Just wanted to give you a quick video of some of the new fall merchandise that we just got in the store. You can see some beautiful gold pine cone candle holders. We've got some great orange leather pumpkins, which are really fun. We've got some wonderful little acorns here that you can put in a bowl and add a little glitz to the table. We have some natural pheasant feather placemats, and you can see I've got some quail sitting in some bowls and on the placemat there. Just some fun table accents. Come on into the Greenery Gift and Home Shop and we can show you what great things we have in the store for fall.